In this video, I will show you how to change the internal batteries in this Chrysler 300 key fob. This key fob takes two of these CR 2016 batteries. All you need is to pick up a couple batteries and you can change these on your own. It's very easy. If you want to get these online, I have left a link down in the description to pick them up on Amazon for just a couple bucks. Then you can just follow along. The first thing we're going to do is look on the side, find this little slot right here. We can put a flathead screwdriver in there, hold the device firmly and just twist, and it will start to come apart. You can then go in that opening and just give another little twist until it comes apart. Pull it apart with your fingers. Now there are two batteries stacked up on top of each other here. The first one, pretty easy to just get under it with your fingernail, or carefully, try not to damage this metal component, just get under it with your tool. And now this one I like to push down on one side to kind of make it pop up there, where you can do the same thing. Tool or fingernail, just lift it up. That's pretty easy. Now take your new CR 2016 batteries. Make sure the positive side with that information on the top goes face up. First one goes in, click it down. Second one, same thing, positive side up, goes right on top, click it down. Now, we just reattach the two halves of the key fob and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries of key fobs from any make or model, check out our YouTube channel or go to fobbattery.com. Thank you for watching.